Hello, good day. Welcome to our Mom to Mom channel. And let me just tell you a little bit about what this channel is all about. Over the course of handling women, speaking to lots and lots of women, and both on a very large platform, both as individual when they come for counseling, I've realized that women are dynamic and wonderful creatures. We are great multitaskers. We are splendid. We are awesome. We are wherever you have a group of women put together in one room, magic usually happens. Women are awesome beings. And then when that particular woman becomes a mother, I believe that awesomeness is personified in different dimensions. It is not easy for one human being to bear another human being. 9 months of childbirth journey is not an easy one. For a woman to carry a child in her womb for 9 months, and everything that makes that child a human being grows inside of her, from the brain to the blood vessels to all of the vital organs to bones, everything grows inside the woman, and she carries for 9 months and gives birth to another human being. And yet we are called the weaker vessel. I don't know how weak we are when it comes to that. We are amazing creatures. We are dynamic. We are multitaskers. We are beautiful, splendid, and we are co-creators with God. But even at that, over the years, I've spoken to tons of women, and I just believe that women can still do much more. And that is the reason why we have this Mom to Mom channel. Women are wonderful, and most times we limit our abilities. We limit where we are meant to be. If only we can see where we are supposed to be, we will not be doing what we're doing right now. We will not relegate ourselves to just being baby factories or baby makers. Being a baby maker is very good because one must give birth to the other to replenish the earth. But that is not just what God wants us to do as women. We are not just to procreate alone, no, or give birth to children alone. No, there is someone somewhere, there is a society somewhere, there's a community somewhere. I mean, the world could be tied to you. And we are destined to ignite the fire of our purpose. And I know that watching me right now are women world changers. I know watching me right now women who are set to turn their lives around. I know watching me right now women who are ready to light the fire of their purpose. Now, we will have the best jobs and live in the best homes with an awesome relationship with family and friends, and we have amazing kids and all that we want materially. But listen, we can never be termed a success until we achieve our purpose in life. Now, a television set is completely useless in the hands of the buyer if it is left in the carton. Until the buyer brings it out from the carton, assembles all he needs to assemble, and plugs it in, he will never enjoy that television set sitting in the carton. The same way, if someone buys a car, he will never understand the full option of that vehicle, let alone enjoy it, if he doesn't take the keys and start the ignition of that vehicle. Women, we need to start the ignition of our purpose. We can never know our capacity until we take a step. And that's the reason for this channel. On this channel, we'll be talking about so many topics relating to women and motherhood as well. Because I realize that when women give birth, they just think the whole world has ended and they cannot achieve their dreams. That thing you've always wanted to do as a teenager, as a young lady, you can still do it. Set your purpose on fire, and that's why Mom to Mom channel is here. We're here to help you to build your purpose, to empower you, to equip you, to know what to do with yourself, to prosper your business. We are talking about several things. We're talking about business. We're talking about how to also start a small business at home. We're talking about how to grow the one that you have for all of our business women and mothers, how to balance motherhood with your career, how to balance motherhood with your business, and all other topics that pertain to women and motherhood. For example, domestic violence. That particular one is ravaging women and affecting them. It has become a menace in the lives of women. We're talking about all kinds. Rape in marriage. Yes, there's something called rape in marriage. So many topics will be dealt with. How to raise our children, how to feed them right, how to grow ourselves, how to know and find our potentials. All of this you find on this channel, and all you need to do is subscribe. That's as simple as it gets, and I can tell you it will be worth your time. You are created for a purpose. You are created to fill a void, and this channel will show you how.